Hey, campground owners, want to create a rock-solid operating agreement without breaking the bank? I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to draft a comprehensive document that protects your business and saves you thousands in legal fees. So sit back and enjoy. Here's the game plan in 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose the right GPT tool. So not all AI tools are created equal. Look for a state-specific GPT that's designed for operating agreements. The key is finding a tool that understands your state's specific legal requirements for the campground business. Pro tip, check out ChatGPT and go into the customs, and you may find that. If you don't find it, get a state template and use that as a part of your prompt. Step 2, prepare business details. So before you start, gather some critical information. You're going to need things like the business structure, whether it's an LLC, a partnership, a corporation, the partner and owner names, their ownership percentages, the initial capital contributions, specific roles and responsibilities, decision-making processes, and profit and loss distribution percentages. The more detailed you are, the more comprehensive your operating agreement becomes. Step 3, conduct a guided AI interview. Now, this is a really exciting part and where all the magic happens. Use ChatGPT to interview you systematically. The tool will ask targeted questions about your business, walking through each section of the agreement. It'll prompt you for specifics about things like the management structure, your financial arrangements, dispute resolution mechanisms, exit strategies, owner transfer protocols. All of those will be included. The AI will help you create a customized document that feels like it was drafted by a local attorney, but at a fraction of the cost. Now, I'm going to make an important disclaimer. While AI tools are incredibly powerful, they are not a replacement for your legal counsel. So always have a local attorney review the final document to ensure compliance. But this is going to save you a ton of money because they're not starting from scratch. You're giving them the document and they are going to just help you go through it. Another bonus pro strategy here, save all the iterations of your draft. This creates a paper trail and helps you track your document's evolution. By leveraging AI, you're not just saving money, you're creating a bulletproof framework that protects your campground's business future. Take control, be proactive, and watch your business grow with confidence.